In this video, I'll be showing you how to use split screen on Samsung phone. It's a full guide, so if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android phone you have. So let's say I'm on my phone and I'm using something like the Google Play Store, for example. All I want to go ahead and do is press my app selector icon, which is like the three dots, and I'm going to see anything else I have open as well. Let's say I want to use WhatsApp at the same time. Long press on WhatsApp, and it's going to say drop here for pop-up view. But then I can move it to the bottom and it's going to say drop here to open, or drop here to open as well. So let's say if I want to put it to the top, I can put it to the top, and then it's going to ask me what app I want to select for the bottom area. So I'm just going to select Play Store. Now I'm using both WhatsApp and Play Store at the same time. And yeah, you can do this with literally any app as well, which is really cool. So you can like literally scroll on TikTok and watch a YouTube video at the same time if you wanted to, or anything like that. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials on the channel as well.